If you've locked your Capital One card and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Launch the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, find the section for your credit card. Look for options labeled Card Settings or Manage Card within the app's menu. Step 4. Unlock your card. In the card settings, locate the option to unlock your card. Tap on it and follow any prompts to confirm that you want to unlock your card. Step 5. Confirmation. After unlocking, you should receive a confirmation message within the app. Check your card status to ensure it is now active and ready for use. By following these steps, you can easily unlock your Capital One card and continue using it without any issues. If you encounter any problems, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.